hitting coach.
Good evening and welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Luigi Trillo. Congratulations, Coach. You set the tone with a 9-0 run to open the game, but the game was decided upon the last 2 minutes. What learning in the past served as the key factor to being able to close out this game against TNT?
Yeah, well, the last tournament we were in a semifinals against TNT, right? But this is a different makeup now with ball there. You have to give TNT also credit. They hung around. We were up big at the half, and then the third quarter they kept at it. 5 minutes left in the ball game, we were up 12, but they persevered, right? And it went down to 2 points. But these are some of these games. A win's a win. We'll take it. I thought our guys moved the ball well. We had 32 assists. We gave them 51 free throws, so that's something to be of concern. But at the end of the day, we got the W.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Congratulations,
Jones.
Martin Jones, played 29 points, 12 rebounds. Siyempre, yung usapan tonight was ball, and now Marvin will respond. Do you think this performance tonight, especially that good start here?
Yeah, you have to give credit kay Marvin. He was a plus 14 at the half. He got into foul trouble there in the second half. Pero nakakataba ng puso. Imports, when you come in, you're not sure. You see things in, tune-up games, in practice, but he held his own against Bol. I think Bol still, amazing stats at 28 points, 12 rebounds. But I think that's his career low here, considering I think it's Bol's, fourth game. And, Talk and Texas always had our number. Nakakataba ng puso again that everybody came to play. And it had to come down to the wire there, right? But Marvin has been an integral part of that's the reason why we're 4-1 right now.
Coach, you were the only team that played TSCB for na play. So, hindi mo may advantage kayo in a way. And that should have helped you prepare for this game. This magnitude, especially this magnitude.
Yeah, good question, John. Sip, nakaka rin yun na-tune up na namin. So at least you can see at least what Bol's there. But, TNT is also coming off a lot of injuries. First time ni RR bumalik. Kelly came back a little bit. There are a couple of guys there who had just come back into the rotation, right? So probably we're catching them in a time where they're not at their best kasi most guys are coming in. But at the end of the day, this is a really big for our franchise because we know how hard it is to get into the top 4. The last maybe 3-4 conferences, we really haven't been there. We've always ended up, 7-6-5. So it's put us in a good situation now, right? So at this point, you're trying to earn respect sa league. Every win's important. We play Macau and then we play, I think, NLEX. And we know that yung mga lower teams, hahabol pa yan eh. Diba? Wala pa sa flow yung Ginebra, may mga injuries and doon. San Miguel's also in the middle of the pack. And also TNT. So, yeah.
Okay, ganda ng first half nyo, then you led by 20, may point na talagang kahit tumahabol ng OG yung 20, nasasabot ko. Pero kumusta yung last few minutes na paano nyo survive?
Well, yung last minute siguro para sa akin kung sino na lang gustong manalo dun eh. We made a lot of lapses nung time na yun pero minimeasure lang namin yung past experiences namin na hindi na mauulit. So, alam mo nandun pa rin yung nangyari ng yung past series namin against TNT. So, natuto kami sa ganun. Natuto kami sa larong yun and nadala namin for this game.
You've started to become the primary offensive weapon na rin ng Meralco based on the numbers. So, parang lalo pang siniment yun with this performance of yours against one of the top teams against TNT. So, how are you taking that challenge na being that guy na being one of the primary scorers?
Well, sa Meralco naman, hindi naman namin talagang sinasabi na, oh, ikaw yung matasing average, dapat ikaw palaging gumagawa. With the ball movements na ginagawa namin, yung assist namin now is 32 assists. At talagang mas pinagtutunan namin ng pansin yung ball movement namin. Siguro na nasasaktuhan lang na ako yung nalilibre nung time na yon. Sa akin bumabagsak yung bola when mga 8 seconds. Yun, pero lahat kasi kaya gumawa sa Meralco eh. So yung role na yun, basta kung bibigay lang sa akin yung reads sa game, titira ko. Kung hindi, papasa ko. So, gano'n kami maglaro sa Meralco.
Coach, talk about lang yung atmosphere kanina because no pun intended, quite electric with the ball around. Ano masasabi mo sa kanina?
Siyempre nakaka-challenge rin yan. But I think it's also good for the PBA. Parang tagal na rin natin dito sa Ninoy, di ba? So, for a Tuesday to see the fans come in, I was looking at it, even the first game, it was good that they're fans. And you see it, they came to watch, right? So, I think Ball's also a draw. It's quality games, quality teams. We knew how important this was because the last 4 conferences, palagi kaming may slippage ng 1 or 2 games, right? And those games could have gave us twice to beat, diba? So at this point, we're just trying to earn yung respeto ng, that every game's important. We know that all the teams, gaya na ng Terra Firma, those guys, NLEX, they're there. So every game's important to us. We've got 2 games this week. We know how important Macau is. We've faced them a couple of times, and now that they haven't won, baka we hope that it's not the game against us, right? And then NLEX too. So, Ball, I still think they're Talk and Text is not really at their level yet kasi madaming injuries. But I'm sure they'll find their rhythm eventually.
And that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you.